Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to learn third lesson of EVS subject. Lesson name is family tree. So in this lesson we will learn about our family members. In this lesson we will learn about what a family tree is, reading a family tree, need for a family tree, the growth of a family tree. So the first point is thinking. So everyone have to think first. Raj found an old photograph of his family. He could not identify the child in the photograph. His father said that the child is Raj's grandfather. He was surprised to know this. Do you have any such photograph of your family? Students, you can ask to your parents about the old photograph. If do you want to see your grandparents' old photograph? If do you want to see how they look like in their childhood? Then we will see our next point, that is the remembering. If we draw charts of our families, what will they look like? See, here it is the one picture of family members. You can see there are the how many members? 6 members in this family. 2 children, 2 parents and 2 grandparents are there. So what will they look like? Let us find out. A drawing of a chart that shows how the different members of a family are related to one another is called a family tree. A detailed chart of a family looks like a tree. Our family trees consist of us, our parents and their parents. It also has the parents of our grandparents. They are our great grandparents. All the people in our families who lived before our grandparents are our ancestors. Students, you can see here a chart of family members. On the top of this chart, there is the grandfather and grandmother. Then father and mother and uncle and aunt. Then you can see there is the me, brother, sister. And in the another column there is the cousin brother and cousin sister. So this is called family tree. Let us we see our next point, that is the understanding. Look at the family tree of Dipti given below. What does it show? It shows the family members and ancestors of Dipti. So students, this family tree shows her great grandparents on top. Then it shows her grandparents. Then parents and finally her. Like a real tree, a family tree also grows with time. Let us find out how this happens. Your grandparents were kids long back as you are now. They had their parents and grandparents. As the time went on, they gave birth to your parents. Your parents grew up and gave birth to you. In this way, the size of the family grows with time. As you grow older, you may also become a parent and then a grandparent. After that, we have to see our next point, that is the application. Everybody likes to know where they came from, who their ancestors were, where they lived, what they did, and so on. A family tree helps children to know about their grandparents. They also come to know about their ancestors. Suppose you find a family tree made by your grandfather when he was of your age. What can you learn from it? Let us do an exercise. Fill in the blanks based on the given family tree. So students, observe this family tree and you have to find out the name of the father from this family tree. So what is the name of the father? That is the Ratan. Then you have to find out name of the mother. So what is the name of mother? That is the Meera. Then next we have to find out name of the brother. So what is the name of brother? That is the Rahul. Then we have to find out the name of the grandmothers, Rama and Lakshmi. So we have to write their name. Then name of the grandfathers, Mohan and Vishnu. Understood, students? I hope you understand this family tree. Do you know, students, Confucius was a teacher in China. The family of Confucius is considered to be the longest family tree in the world. His family tree has 80 levels known to everyone. Now we will see our next point, that is the higher order thinking skill. So, what you learned today? You have learned about a family tree having parents, grandparents, and great grandparents. A family tree may also have people who are not related to us by birth. They can be related to our mother or father. They include our uncles, aunt, and cousins. Think of different ways in which a family tree can be changed. When someone gets married in our family tree grows. One new member is added to our family tree. A new branch is added sideways to the family tree. Sometimes a new child is born into the family. He or she then becomes a part of the family tree. So here it is, the our lesson is finished.